Here we will see constant in PHP. PHP constants are name or identifier that can't be changed during the execution of a script except for magic constants which are not really constants. PHP constants can be defined by two ways. First, by using define function, and second by using constant keyword. Constants are similar to the variable except that once they defined, they can never be undefined or changed. They remain constant across the entire program. PHP constants follow the same PHP variable rules. You do not need to have a constant with a dollar sign. It can be started with a letter or underscore only. First we will see defining a PHP constant with define function. General syntax for creating a constant using define function is define name, value and case insensitive, where name specifies the name of the constant, value specifies the value of the constant, case insensitive specifies whether the constant name should be case insensitive. Default is false. And second method is defining a PHP constant with const keyword. PHP introduced a keyword const to create a constant. It can be defined with const, constant name and the value assigned to that constant variable. The const keyword defines the constants at compile time. It is a language construct and not a function. The constant defined using const keywords are case sensitive. PHP provides a large number of predefined constants to any script which it runs. They start with double underscore and ends with double underscore. These special constants are case insensitive. A few magical constants are as follows. Line, which defines current line number of the file. File constant defines the full path and file name of the file. If used inside an include, the name of the included file is returned. Dir constant returns the full directory path of the executed file. The path returned is equivalent to the dir name file. Function is the function name. This constant returns the function name as it was declared. Class constant defines the class name. This constant returns the class name as it was declared. Method constant defines the class method name. The method name is returned as it was declared. Trait. This magic constant returns the trait name where it is used. And namespace returns the current namespace where it is used. Difference between constants and variables are: once the constant is defined, it can never be redefined, whereas a variable can be undefined as well as redefined easily. A constant can only be defined using define function. It cannot be defined by any simple assignment. A variable can be defined by simple assignment operator. There is no need to use the dollar sign before constant during the assignment. And to declare a variable, always use the dollar sign before the variable. Constants do not follow any variable scooping rules and they can be defined and accessed anywhere. Variables can be declared anywhere in the program, but they follow the variable scoping rules. Constants are the variables whose value can't be changed throughout the program. The value of the variable can be changed. By default, constants are global and variables can be local, global or static.